Hello, a very good morning to all my lovely students of Standard Third. Hope you all are missing the school. We also miss you, my dear children. Now, today is Monday, so back to studies. Again, today we'll be studying a lesson in the government textbook. So, everybody open your textbooks on page number 23 and write today's date and classwork. So, today is your 21 9 2020 and CW. This is your unit 4. Mr. Rabbit plays a prank. What is the meaning of prank? Prank means आप किसी के साथ कोई मजाक करते हैं, कोई ट्रिक खेलते हैं जिसमें आपको बहुत मजा आता है उस चीज में. That is called as a prank. तो Mr. Rabbit जो है यहाँ पर अदर दो एनिमल्स के साथ एक प्रैंक खेलते हैं. एंड वो आर दोज दो अदर एनिमल्स. द अदर टू एनिमल्स आर मिस्टर व्हेल एंड मिस्टर एलिफेंट. एज यू ऑल नो दैट द व्हेल इज द बिगेस्ट क्रिएचर ऑन द सी. समुद्र में रहने वाला सबसे बड़ा प्राणी है, दैट इज द व्हेल फिश. एंड एलिफेंट इज द लार्जेस्ट लैंड एनिमल. जो जमीन पे रहने वाले में से एलिफेंट सबसे लार्जेस्ट एनिमल है. और रैबिट जो सबसे छोटा, काफी छोटा, नॉट सबसे छोटा बट काफी छोटा एनिमल है. लेकिन ये सबसे छोटा एनिमल जो है सी और लैंड के बिगेस्ट और स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट क्रिएचर के साथ कैसा प्रैंक खेलता है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी. सो दैट मीन्स इवन इफ यू आर स्मॉल, then also you should be wise. It's not necessary that you have to be strong to do something. You should be wise to do something. This lesson teaches us this story. So first we'll do the activity. Activity 1. Are you interested in animals? Here are some facts. Why not surprise your friends with all the animal knowledge you gather from here? Maybe you can quite quiz them and also show them how smart you are. That means here you can see certain facts about the certain animals are given. So they're telling you that it is better that you know some facts and then you ask your friend some quiz and you can show that you know you have lot of knowledge of animals. So you can prove yourself to be smarter than your friends. Now first one. Do you think it's the best? Give them numbers in 1 to 5, then compare your list with your friends list. Now here you can see the names of animals are given: rats, swift, snakes, sharks and squirrels and fish. You have to give the numbers, rank them according to their qualities you like the best. Which one you feel is the best quality of all the animals, or who is doing something better than all the given animals, you have to rank them. 1, I have ranked squirrel first, then rat second, sharks third, fish fourth and the swift bird 5. But according to your choice, you what you feel, you can rank, give the numbers accordingly. मैंने अपनी पसंद से नंबर्स दिए जो मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि स्क्विरल्स है जो कि हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, ट्रीज जो विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर एनवायरनमेंट, दे आर हेल्पिंग टू प्लांट मोर एंड मोर trees and thus saving our environment. So I have given 1 number to it. Whereas rats, who can live without water for many days, so I have given second number to rats, and third, as you know, sharks are very healthy, then fish and then the swift bird. So now activity number 2. Read the following poems. Guess who these animals is. Who am I? That means there's a small riddle that is given. So about each of the animals which are in this story. That means about Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale. So you have to guess from the poem. The riddle is in the form of the poem. You have to guess that which animal they are talking about. We are on page number 23. Now we'll move on to page number 24. We'll start with the riddles now. First one. White is my color, my fur is so fluffy like no other, tail so bushy, nose so pink, whiskers so long they make me unique, pointed ears on top of my head, I can't wait till I am fed. Who am I? What can I be? So I am rabbit. How can you know that it is rabbit? Because it is written my fur is so fluffy and white is my color. What is the color of rabbit? White. The fur, there's a fur or fluffy fur on the rabbit's body. Then there's a bushy tail, small, छोटी सी एक टेल होती है एकदम गुच्छे जैसी. और नाक कैसी होती है रैबिट की? पिंक होती है. विस्कर्स जो उसकी मूछें होती है लंबी लंबी होती हैं. पॉइंटेड ईयर्स ऑन द टॉप, जो कान होते हैं वो उसके सर के ऊपर और काफ़ी बड़े लंबे ऐसे ऊपर से पॉइंटेड होते हैं. सो आई कांट वेट अंटिल आई एम फेड, मतलब कि मेरे को जो है खाना चाहिए ही. एंड हु एम आई, हु व्हाट कैन आई बी, मैं कौन हूँ, कौन बता सकता है. यस, आई एम रैबिट, white cute little rabbit. Now second one, again it's a form of a poem. I am an animal you really like the most, the biggest on the land you can truly boast, with huge floppy ears and a super long snout. Wait till you hear me shout. So, who am I? Now, let us read one by one. I am an animal you really like the most. ऐसा कौन सा animal है जो आपको सबसे पसंद है, ज़्यादा पसंद है? The biggest on the land. This is very important line to make out. The biggest on the land. Which animal is biggest on the land? You can truly boast with huge floppy ears. Now this is very important again. Huge floppy ears. कौन सा animal है जिसके बड़े बड़े कान होते हैं and a super long snout, लंबी सी नाक होती है. Wait till you hear me shout. और जोर से दहाड़ता है. So that is, yes, very good. That is right. I am an elephant. मैं कौन हूँ? मैं elephant हूँ. मैं largest land animal हूँ. मेरी लंबी सूंड है जो नाक जो है वो बहुत लंबी है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ ट्रंक, और मेरे कान जो है बड़े बड़े ईयर्स है मेरे. सो आई एम एन एलिफेंट. नाउ थर्ड वन, लेट्स टेक अ ट्रिप जस्ट यू एंड मी थ्रू द ब्लू एंड स्पार्कलिंग सी. आई विल गिव यू अ राइड अपॉन माई टेल. You will see what's like to be a blue. Now here there's a blank, so we have to fill that blank. We will leap and dive and chase the fish, then swim and splash as long as we wish. And when we are done and playing in the icy deep, we will let the waves rock up to sleep. Who am I? Now here there are two places where you have to write. Two clues are given. First clue, we'll read the first one. Lines first. Let's make a trip, just you and me, through the blue and sparkling sea. That means this is telling about the sea. Blue and sparkling मतलब कि समुद्र का पानी कैसा एकदम अच्छा सा नीला कलर का होता है, तो उसमें हम ट्रिप करेंगे. कोई और कौन नहीं, मैं और तुम दोनों मिलकर उसमें राइड करेंगे वहाँ पर. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे जो क्रिएचर की बात हो रही है, दैट लिव्स इन द सी. I will give you a ride upon my tail. मैं अपनी टेल पे आपको राइड करवाऊंगी. You will see what is like to be a blue whale. Here what you have to write, blue whale. मतलब कि तब आपको पता लगेगा कि blue whale कैसी होती है. हम पानी के अंदर डाइव करेंगे. We leap and dive and chase the fish. As you all know that in the sea there are many different kinds of sea creatures. Many fishes are there. Different types of other animals are also there which live in the fish. So what is the whale saying? That we will dive and leap in the sea water and chase the fish. Then we will swim and splash as long as we wish. That means we'll play in the water, we'll swim in the water. And when we are tired, we will go to sleep. So who am I? I am a whale. So here now you can know that in this story, the story begins after this riddle. So in this story, it is about the three animals, Mr. Rabbit, Mr. Elephant and Mr. Whale. We are talking about the three animals in the story. The two are, one is the biggest land animal and other is the biggest creature in the sea. And the third, Mr. Rabbit, is a small creature on the land. Now, want to meet these animals in the story? Here they are. Yes, we are going to read about them now. Activity 3, Mr. Rabbit plays a prank. Now, from here, the whole story starts. Before that, I will show you this picture where you can see this is the water, this is the sea, here is elephant, here is the whale. And here you can see the small rabbit. Rabbit is so small compared to elephant and whale. Whale तो हमेशा पानी में रहती है, ये है जो लैंड में रहता है, और ये भी लैंड में रहता है, लेकिन ही इज रनिंग फास्ट अलोंग द बीच. दिस इज द बीच. समुद्र के पास जो रेती का इलाका एरिया होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द बीच. सो एलिफेंट इज ऑन द बीच, दिस rabbit is also on the beach and whale is in the sea. Now we'll read the story. And everybody at home, please do the practice of reading. आप घर पे रोज जो भी लेसन मैं आपको पढ़ाती हूँ वो घर पे आप मम्मी या पापा के पास बैठ के या आपके बड़े भाई बहन हैं उनके पास बैठ के रीडिंग सीखिए प्लीज़. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू दैट यू शुड नो हाउ टू रीड. अगर आप रीडिंग सीखेंगे तो आपको स्टोरी में भी और अच्छा इंटरेस्ट आएगा और अदर स्टोरी बुक्स ऑल्सो यू कैन रीड. सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट आवर स्टोरी. One day, little Mr. Rabbit was running along the beach. Lipperty, lipperty. When he saw Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant talking together. So, one day what happened? Mr. Rabbit was running along the beach. As you can see in this picture, the rabbit is running along the beach. And there he saw that Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant were talking together. They were talking to each other. दोनों आपस में बात कर रहे थे. And how was the rabbit running? Lipperty, lipperty, like that. The voice was coming out when he was running on the beach. Beach is always full of sand. You are the biggest creature on land, Mr. Elephant said Mr. Whale. You are the biggest creature on the land, Mr. Elephant said Mr. Whale, and I am the biggest creature in the sea. So what both were talking about? They both were talking about that. What did Mr. Whale said? Mr. Whale said to Mr. Elephant that you are the biggest animal on the land. मिस्टर वेल ने मिस्टर एलिफेंट से कहा कि आप लैंड के सबसे बड़े क्रिएचर हो और मैं पानी की सबसे बड़ी क्रिएचर हूँ, सी की सबसे बड़ी क्रिएचर हूँ. येस, एंड वी आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. और हम दोनों कैसे हैं? हम दोनों बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं. दे वर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. Little Mr. Rabbit was watching them. He wanted to have some fun, so he decided to play a prank. Now you can see this small tiny animal Mr. Rabbit was listening to their conversation. So he was watching them and he was carefully listening there what they were talking. So he wanted to have some fun. उसने सोचा ये दोनों अच्छे फ्रेंड्स हैं तो हम कुछ मजाक करते हैं, मजा लेते हैं. So उसने डिसाइड किया कि एक अच्छा सा मजाक करते हैं. As you all know that rabbit is very clever. So moving on to page number 25, we'll continue the story. He ran away and got a very long, very strong rope. Then he brought out his big drum that he had hid in the bushes. Now he had made up his mind. Mr. Rabbit has thought of what prank he is going to play with these two animals. So he ran very fast and he brought a very big and strong rope. Then he brought a drum, very big drum which he had hid in the bushes. वहाँ पे जो झाड़ियाँ थी उसके अंदर एक उसने अपना बड़ा सा ड्रम जो था छुपा के रखा था और अपने साथ वो एक बड़ी लंबी और मोटी रस्सी लेकर आया. He took the rope in his hand and went to the beach where Mr. Whale was swimming. अब वो बड़ी सी रस्सी लेकर कहाँ पर गया? He went to Mr. Whale where in the sea, near the sea where Mr. Whale was swimming. And what did he say now? Now from here the prank starts. Oh please, dear Mr. Whale, he said, will you please help me? What is it, Mr. Rabbit? Mr. Whale asked. You look worried. What happened? Now, you know, as the rabbit was very clever, so he said that Mr. Whale, will you please help me out? So what did Mr. Whale said? Oh, Mr. Rabbit, you look so worried. Is there something wrong? What has happened? तो whale ने इसको देखकर बोला, अरे आप बहुत परेशान लगते हैं, क्या हुआ है? Oh, Mr. Whale, said Mr. Rabbit, my cow is stuck in the mud near that hill. Will you please help me pull out? I asked so many animals, but no one is as strong as you. None of them could pull her out. Please help me. Now what happened? Mr. Rabbit said Mr. Whale that I had a cow and that cow is stuck in the mud behind the hill. मतलब मेरे पास एक गाय है जो पहाड़ियों के पीछे मिट्टी में जो है वो उसका पैर फंस गया है, वो मिट्टी में फंस गई है और उसको मुझे बाहर निकालना है. मैंने बहुत सारे एनिमल से पूछा लेकिन किसी ने मेरी मदद नहीं की. Nobody helped me out. I asked many animals but nobody helped me out because no one is as strong as you. The reason he gave is because you are the strongest, so you can help me out. Others are not strong as you, so they didn't help me. So I request that you please help me out. Mr. Whale was so pleased, he smiled and said, yes, at once. So Mr. Whale was very happy that to hear what Mr. Rabbit said about her. आप सबको अपनी कोई तारीफ करता है तो बहुत खुशी होती है ना, अच्छा लगता है ना. वैसे ही मिस्टर वेल को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. जब आप अच्छा होमवर्क करते हैं, कुछ अच्छा लिखते हैं, क्लास में अच्छे से रहते, तो टीचर ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट्स यू दैट यू आर अ वेरी गुड बॉय in front of all of the class, or you are a very good child. So then you are very happy, you are very pleased that, oh, teacher is appreciating me, I am such a good boy or a good girl. So the same way, this whale was also very happy to hear what about the appreciation about herself, about himself, and he said, yes, I will help you. And he smiled and said, so because he was very happy. Thank you, Mr. Whale, said Mr. Rabbit. That is what I will do. I have this strong rope. Then Mr. Rabbit said, thank you, Mr. Whale, said Mr. Rabbit. That is what I will do. तो उसने कहा कि ठीक है, मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा और आपको I have this strong rope. I will tie one end around you and the other end around my cow. Then when I am ready, I will beat my drum. When you hear the sound, pull very very hard, for my cow is stuck deep in the mud. अभी रैबिट ने क्या बोला, वेल से, मिस्टर वेल से क्या बोला कि एक जो रोप है उसका वन एंड आई विल टाई टू यू. दैट मीन्स आई विल टाई वन एंड ऑफ द रोप टू यू एंड द अदर एंड आई विल टाई टू द माई काउ हु इज स्टक इन द मड. सो व्हेन आई विल बीट द ड्रम, व्हेन यू हियर द साउंड ऑफ द ड्रम, देन स्टार्ट पुलिंग इट वेरी वेरी हार्डर. मतलब जोर से आप उसको खींचे. So you start pulling it fast because my cow is stuck deep in the, मतलब मेरी गाय जो है वो मिट्टी में बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर जो है वो उसकी स्टक हो गई है, इसलिए आप ज़ोर से अच्छे से आप ज़ोर लगा के उसको खींचिएगा. हाँ, said Mr. Whale, I am strong enough to pull out even 20 cows from the deepest ocean. So Mr. Whale was very confident that he is going to do this work because he felt that he is the strongest sea creature. So he said that I am strong enough to pull 20 cows from the deepest ocean. मतलब कि समुद्र की गहराई में से भी मैं एक साथ जो है 20 cows को पुल कर सकती हूँ. Little Mr. Rabbit tied one end of the rope around Mr. Whale and ran off lippity to the hill where Mr. Elephant was eating some juicy leaves. Now the second part of the prank. Mr. Elephant, he said, will you please help me? What is it? Asked Mr. Elephant. Now, after tying the rope to the one end of the rope to the whale, Mr. Rabbit went on the other side of the hill where Mr. Elephant was eating some juicy leaves. Now he went to Mr. Elephant because he wanted to play prank between the Mr. Whale and Mr. Elephant. So he went to Mr. Elephant because he was on the other side of the hill so that Mr. Whale could not see. So he went there and he then asked the Mr. Elephant that will you please help me. So Mr. Elephant said, what is it? Moving on to page number 26 now. My cow is stuck in the mud near the beach and little Mr. Rabbit, and I cannot pull her out. I am sure you could, since you are so big and strong. No one is as strong as you. Now what did he say? उसने वेल से क्या बोला था कि हिल के पीछे मेरी काव मिट्टी में जो है तब अटक गई है, फंस गई है. और यहाँ पर उसने क्या बोला, मिस्टर एलिफेंट से क्या बोला, क्योंकि मिस्टर एलिफेंट हिल पे थे तो उसने क्या बोला कि सी बीच पे जो है नियर द बीच माई काव इज स्टक इन द मड. उसने क्या बोला कि जो है बीच के पास जो है मेरी गाय जो है वो मड में फंस गई है और मैं तो उसको निकाल नहीं सकता हूँ. और आप जो है क्योंकि आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बिकॉज यू आर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड बिग, यू कैन डेफिनेटली पुल माई काव आउट ऑफ द मड. Certainly, said Mr. Elephant, I will help you. So Mr. Elephant ने कहा, sure, I am definitely going to help you. Thank you, Mr. Elephant, said Mr. Rabbit. So Mr. Rabbit ने फिर से Mr. Elephant को भी thank you कहा. That is what I will do. तो उसने कहा कि मैं ये करूँगा. I have a strong rope and I will tie one end around your trunk and the other around my cow. अब सेम वे जैसे वेल के साथ किया था कि एक एंड उसने वेल के साथ उसने क्या बोला कि एक वेल को क्या बोला था कि एक एंड मैं आपके साथ बांध दूंगा और एक मैं अपनी गाय के साथ बांध दूंगा। तो उसने वैसे ही कि यहाँ पर भी कहा, उसने एलिफेंट को क्या बोला कि एक एंड मैं आपकी ट्रंक के साथ बांध दूंगा और दूसरा एंड जो है वो मेरी काव के साथ में बांध दूंगा। Then when I am ready, I will beat the drum. फिर उसने ऐसे ही बोला कि जब मैं रेडी हो जाऊंगा, when everything will be ready, then I will beat the drum. When you hear the sound, pull very very hard for my cow as it is stuck deep in the mud. So again he said same things to Mr. Elephant as he told Mr. Whale that when I start beating the drum, you hear the sound, you start pulling it very very hard, बहुत जोर से ताकत लगा के खींचेगा, because my cow is stuck deep in the mud, क्योंकि वो मिट्टी में बहुत ज़्यादा फंस गई है। हाँ, don't worry, said Mr. Elephant. I could even pull out 20 cows. So again Mr. Elephant also said that don't you worry, it's just one cow. I can pull 20 cows out of the deepest mud. Mr. Rabbit tied the other end of rope tightly around Mr. Elephant's trunk and ran away in the bushes. There he sat down with his and beat his big drum. Now what did Mr. Rabbit do after tying the rope in the tightly onto the elephant's trunk? He went around in the bushes where he had hid his big drum, and there he sat and started beating his drum. This seems to be a very heavy cow, said Mr. Elephant, but I will pull her out. After all, I am the mighty Mr. Elephant. As he dug his feet into the ground and he gave a big pull. Now when he started beating the drum, Mr. Rabbit started beating the drum, Mr. Elephant started pulling the pulling. He thought, because he thought it is a cow, so he thought that it's a very very heavy cow, that it is because it was difficult for him to pull, so he thought that it's a heavy cow. But then Mr. Elephant thought that I will surely pull that cow out of the mud because I am the mighty elephant, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही ताकतवर एलिफेंट हूँ और बहुत बड़ा हूँ, तो मैं आसानी से जो है काव को खींच सकता हूँ, कितनी भी भारी जो हेवी काव हो, लेकिन मैं उसको इजीली पुल कर सकता हूँ। और ये कहकर उसने जो है अपने पैर जो है वो मिट्टी में गाड़ लिए, ज़मीन में ऐसे, क्योंकि अगर आप किसी चीज़ को अगर पुल करते हैं बहुत ताकत लगाकर, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फिक्स योर फीट देयर। अगर आप अपने पैर ज़मीन पे गड़ा लेंगे तो आपको बहुत ईजी रहेगा कोई भी चीज़ को पुल करने के लिए। Dear me, said Mr. Whale, that cow must be stuck really deep. And he pulled with all his strength. और ये चीज़ क्या दिमाग में आई, मिस्टर वेल ने भी ऐसा ही सोचा कि ये काव जो है बहुत भारी है और शायद बहुत ज़्यादा मिट्टी में वो उस जो है ज़्यादा मिट्टी में वो दब गई है या वो अंदर चली गई है, तभी बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है खींचने के लिए, और उसने अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ उसको खींचना शुरू किया रस्सी को। मिस्टर वेल पुल्ड हार्डर एंड मिस्टर एलिफेंट पुल्ड हार्डर. Now from both the sides, both the elephant animals were strong. So both the elements, what they were doing, they were pulling it harder and harder from their side. मतलब दोनों एनिमल्स ये अपनी तरफ से अपनी पूरी ताकत से उस रस्सी को खींचने लगे। This must be a very huge cow, thought Mr. Whale, and he jumped deep into the sea, pulling the rope with him. और मिस्टर वेल ने क्या सोचा कि ये बहुत ही बड़ी, ह्यूज मीन्स विच इज़ वेरी वेरी बिग, तो उसने सोचा कि ये बहुत बड़ी गाय होगी तभी ऐसा है काव होगी, और ये सोचकर उसने क्या किया, वो पानी के अंदर एकदम डीप इन द सी ही डाइव्ड एंड स्टार्टेड पुलिंग विथ ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ. The pull was so strong, Mr. Elephant came slipping and sliding towards the beach. इतनी जोर से डाइव लगाकर जो है मिस्टर वेल ने वो रस्सी को खींचा. The pull was so strong that from the hill Mr. Elephant came sliding to the beach. और मिस्टर एलिफेंट वहाँ से बीच से, क्योंकि वो हिल पे थे तो वो स्लाइड करते करते बीच पर आ गए. मिस्टर Elephant was terribly angry. Now Mr. Elephant was angry. बहुत ही ज़्यादा, terribly means बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्से में थे. How could the cow pull me so far? He thought, because the whale was deep in the sea, Mr. Elephant could not see the whale. So he thought that how it is possible that a cow has pulled me down from the hill to the beach. It was just next to impossible that a cow can pull an elephant. Mr. Elephant ने ऐसा सोचा कि कैसे हो सकता है, उसको इतना गुस्सा कि एक काव मुझे खींचकर पहाड़ से नीचे बीच पर कैसे ले आई, क्योंकि उसने मिस्टर वेल को देखा ही नहीं था. मिस्टर वेल जो थी वो पानी के अंदर थी. He pulled with all his might, and up came Mr. Whale out of the water. Who is pulling me? shouted Mr. Whale. अब जो क्या हुआ, अब जब वो पानी बीच पे आ गए मिस्टर एलिफेंट, तो मिस्टर एलिफेंट अगेन पुल्ड विथ ऑल हिज माइट, दैट मीन्स विथ ऑल हिज माइट विथ स्ट्रेंथ, विथ ऑल हिज स्ट्रेंथ अगेन ही पुल्ड, एंड व्हेन ही पुल्ड विथ हिज स्ट्रेंथ मिस्टर वेल केम आउट एंड ही शाउटेड, हु इज पुलिंग मी विथ सच अ माइट? कौन मुझे इतने जोर से खींच रहा है? Now on page number 27, who is pulling me? trumpet Mr. Elephant. एक तरफ से वेल खींच रही थी, एक तरफ से एलिफेंट खींच रहा था. तो अगेन मिस्टर एलिफेंट सेट के ने जोर से चिंगाड़ा और कहा, कौन मुझे खींच रहा है? They began to pull again, और वापस में दोनों एक दूसरे को खींचने लगे. But by this time the rope broke. Mr. Whale turned a somersault and landed deep into the water. Mr. Elephant fell over backwards and landed plop on the hill. Little Mr. Rabbit sat in the bushes and laughed and laughed and laughed. So, क्या हुआ? अब जब again they both started to pull, and then by this time the rope had become little bit weak because they were pulling for quite some time with all their strength. So the rope broke. And what happened when the rope broke? When the rope broke, Mr. Whale took a somersault. Means एक गुलाटी खा गई हवा में, और उसके बाद वो पानी के अंदर डीप लैंडेड इनटू द डीप इन वाटर, मतलब समुद्र में एकदम नीचे की तरफ जाकर वहां पर समुद्र में पहुंच गए, डीप इन द सी. और मिस्टर एलिफेंट पीछे की तरफ गिर गए, और ही कहां पर? वो हिल के पीछे की साइड पे जाकर गिरे. और ये सब जो था झाड़ियों में से, मिस्टर रैबिट वॉज लुकिंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द bushes, and he laughed and he could not stop laughing himself because he played such a prank. So my dear children, so from this story we have learned that even if you are small but you are clever, you can do very, very big things, which the big creatures, as in the story, the whale and the elephant were the biggest creature of land and sea, but they didn't use their brain. It was Mr. Rabbit who was so small, but he used his brain and played such a prank, which they never thought of that such an animal can do this. That means even if you are small, but if you are sharp, you are wise, you are clever, you can win anything in this world. Now moving on to the exercises in the next video.